Thank you so much for watching this video, and please make sure to subscribe this channel. Today we are going to explain you two formula, year and YEARFRAC. Year formula, this function extract the year number from a date. Repeating again, this function extract the year number from a date. Formula details very simple. You just need to mention year and then bracket start, select your date, bracket close, and then enter, and you'll get your result. Is any formatting is required? No, the result is shown as number and no formatting is required. That means this formula works in every single version of Excel. One more thing, complete video details also available in description box, so you just need to copy and paste the same for your future reference. But for that you have to subscribe this channel. One more thing, we have a separate video in which we explain every single Excel formula with multiple examples. Now move into YEARFRAC. This function calculates the difference between two dates and express the result as a decimal fraction. Repeating again, this is very unique formula. I'm pretty much sure in whole YouTube nobody is going to tell you this kind of formula. YEARFRAC, this function calculates the difference between two dates and express the result as a decimal fraction. Formula details very easy. YEARFRAC, start date, end date, basic, and then bracket close, enter, and you'll get your difference between two dates result. Formatting required or not, the result will be shown as a decimal fraction, but you can format it as a percent. That means you have that opportunity to change that decimal fraction result into a percent. One more thing, we have a separate video. If you are facing any kind of difficulties to understand how this formula works, then we have a separate video in which we already explained this Excel formula using multiple and different kind of examples. So that will be also helpful for you to understand how this formula works. And if you really want to improve your Excel skills, this is the channel, guys. In this channel we only explain Excel formula, nothing else. We have videos for all the alphabets, means if you all the Excel formula start from alphabet A till alphabet Z. So please check our video collections. For that you have to subscribe our channel. If you have any question, any concern related to any formula, please mention the same in comments box. We'll try to revert within 24 hours. And one more thing, if you have any feedback for us, then please mention the same in comment box. We'll try to update ourselves for you guys. Again, thank you so much watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. Have a great day, have a great Excel future.